This video is a product walkthrough and brief demo of the Rode Videomic GO. I haven't seen many of the reviews on this product here on YouTube, so I thought I would show everyone what it is and what it sounds like. All of the sounds that you hear in this video were captured with my GO, except for this narrative voiceover that was captured using my trusty Blue Yeti. The GO is small, lightweight, and easy to drag around with you wherever you go. I have noticed that a lot of reviews complain about the audio quality not being any better than what you get in your DSLR, but I found really this thing is much better than my camera's pitiful audio, and the signal is sent as clear and focused. It's a shotgun mic, and it sounds quite good, even at distances I found out to 20 feet playing with my son in the backyard. The build quality is quite good, and I would say that it seems as well built as the Videomic Pro when I compared them side to side. The material and construction are the same. The plastics used feel very comparable to me. The foam windscreen, just like others you've seen, is pretty useless in the wind, and even when you are trying to come around and just twirl the camera around fast to follow your son running across the yard, you'll hear the wind noise if you don't have a proper dead cat on that thing. How did you get in here so quickly?
No, how did you get here so quickly?
You tell me first.
You tell me first.
You tell me first.
I got too quickly because I saw you home.
Oh, I got in too quickly so that you could see me when I was home.
Could you let Daisy in?
Well, you let Daisy in.
No. You let Daisy in.
You let Daisy in.
You let Daisy in.
Let's go let her in together.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna be first. Why are you clapping?
Action.
Why did you say action?
Because I'm looking at you.
Do you still see me?
Adam, come out and talk to me.
What? I can't talk to you. The light is so bright.
It's not that bright.